A 6 and one in a 7. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 7.
They're both new?
Yeah, all brand new.
Oh my god, these are bad.
Honestly, throw me a number.
They're all Marinas, right?
Yeah.
Marinas? Bro, they're low. Like, how much did you want each?
75. I know it's below.
I can give you 60 each. So it'd be what, 240?
You do 60.
Or
65 each?
240. I'll do 60 each. 60? Is that cool? Alright. Alright, bro. What's up, bro?
What's up?
Yo. Yeah, this one.
This one?
No, Pendejo, the Arab.
So what little boxes I got are red boxes, but
Red boxes, you said?
yeah, except for
Pass on the Kyries. Is this Kyries? Oh, we'll pass on the Cortezes. Even worse. Or 11 and a half. No, or 11 and a half. Pendejo. How much did you want for the breads?
anywhere from like 200, 225.
Wait, let me see it again. Just like with the condition, just because like the scratching on the top, I'll probably be a little under that. Be like probably like 140 on the breads. We'll probably sell them at like 220. So are these brand new?
Yeah, these brand new.
From the restock?
Yeah, they
Let me see.
You want military blacks? It's a size 10. That's bad.
Only because the size, that's why. Did you actually want 260 for this? I can't do 260. I would be like, I mean, bro, asking bid are way off. I'll be like 200. Two, yeah. I mean, highest bid is 220.
You can't do retail 220?
You said retail?
Huh?
Wait, what? You said what?
Retail? Can't do retail?
Retail's 200.
Is it?
Yeah, retail 200.
I thought it was
All right, 200. 200.
I can't do 200.
Oh my God, you're killing me.
It's already 230. Like, you got a store, bro. It's like, you're not gonna really hurt.
Let me see something. Scan this real quick.
Hold on.
Okay, hold on. I'm actively trying to do this.
You can get yours too with it.
Kaite too, pendejo. Why? What was the lowest you said? 10 to 230. That's over like the bid price. 2. You said retail. 200 is retail. You said that. I didn't say that. Who said that? Was it you or me?
210.
2. 2.
190.
Coin flip, 210, 190.
You gotta make it worth it for us, bro.
Coin flip, 210, 190. Run it. You got a coin?
Oh shit.
You got a coin? Rock, paper, scissors. Best 2 out of 3. Alright. Wait, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wait, no, wait, she got a quarter, bro.
It's cool, we already started. We already started. It's cool, it's cool. Paper, scissors, shoot.
Keep it.
Oh, shit.
No. Here,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You got it. It's cool.
Trash, bro.
It's cool. It's cool. 210. Appreciate you, bro. 70?
Or 80.
I would be at like 50.
Wanna do a coin flip?
We'll do 70-40 coin flip.
We do 80 50.
70-40 coin flip.
Alright, bet.
Alright. Call it. Call it in the air.
Heads.
Tails.
Is it? No, it's heads. You won. Okay. Yeah. Wait. What was our bet?
70.
70, right? All right. That's fine. Damn, we are not good at coin flip.
I am, you're not.
I'm not. Why you hand me the coin? All right, brother.
Next time you gotta arm wrestle you for it.
Good luck this season with the Knicks. Julius Randle sucks. If you don't sell all these right here, like, what are you gonna do? I feel like no one's gonna buy them. You think they're gonna pay more than us?
I don't know about more. I just got here. I haven't been here since I got here. Like,
Oh, okay.
I walked down this first aisle.
Oh, look, so quick cash out, go buy something. 1420. So that's for the 4 Pirate Blacks, these, and then this.
Do 1430, 30 is my number. I don't care if it's 420, I don't smoke. And
14.
That's fine.
All right, hear me out. We'll do a coin flip. 1440 or 1400.
1450 or 1400.
I can't. 1440, 1400. 1440, 1400? All right. You do it, because I lose the time. You call it in the air.
He said in the air.
You call it.
Yes.
We'll redo it. Nah, redo it.
I didn't touch it.
But I said redo it. I said redo it before it fell. Did I not?
I didn't have a problem.
I said redo it before it fell. Because we always do it on the floor. Look, we always do it on the floor.
You flipped it.
Wait, so look. It's in your home. It's on your home court. Nah, because we did coin flip.
And I said heads and it landed here.
But I said before it landed, I'm like, nah, redo it, because it hit its thing. We wanted it to land here. Do it on the table.
That's the story.
Run it back. I'll give you an extra 10. Run it back, and we'll do 1450 or 14. Huh?
I already won.
Nah, because that's me on the table. Yo, we got it on camera. Yeah, I did say.
Before you even called it.
I didn't complain. I played with dice.
I said redo it.
Dice, but I shoot dice.
I said, nah.
You didn't say that.
Same thing when you ball.
Redo it or no deal?
Yeah, mulligan.
Because it was next.
Look, ball don't lie.
It's not going to be.
Ball don't lie. Oh, look, you want to flip it, and wherever it lands, it's good. If you want.
It has to be on the table.
It's not.
You can flip it if you want.
It's not fair that it landed in there either.
Because it either hits the table or it goes all the way to the floor, but it landed on.
1420 or 1450. Because I won one of them.
I was already at 1420, so it's pretty much my price, or we go up. Like, I got to benefit a little bit. I could do 1410 or 1450. That's good? All right. You flip it.
I'm flipping it.
You flip it.
Now, it doesn't have to land anywhere.
I don't care where it lands. Ball don't lie.
And I'm calling or you're calling?
I'll call it. Ball don't lie. Heads. Ball don't lie. Come on, man. Fair?
I don't know about fair. But
It got done.
we should do one more.
No.
And I won one.
No.
Did you give me an offer on this?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were. I was talking about, did you already give me it?
I don't remember.
I mean, 120? 110 we gotta do.
You want 110?
Yeah.
You call it, you win. I'll give you 110, you lose 85.
Wait,
He said, all right. 110.90. Just do 110.90.
110, heads. Is that a head?
Is that a head?
What is it?
No, go to 90.
Oh, 90.
You said 110.90, right?
Yeah. That's funny. All right, bro. What's up, bro? How's the UNCito? 9.5.
How much did you say? You said what, 190?
Yeah.
They're 180. We buy them at 180 all day.
How about 190, 170,
No, hold on. 170, 190,
Or you can just take 180. Wait, are these are new? They're new? Yeah. Oh, all right.
Yeah, I'll do it. 170, 190.
Call it in the air.
Ready?
Call it in there.
Oh my God, we're on a roll.
170. They call it tails.
Yes.
Yo, I did the same shit. Rock that head.
I know, It's double-sided cord. It works for us every time. I'm kidding. Come on, bro. I appreciate it.
120, 129.
All right, bro. Appreciate you.